guys, welcome to my channel, or welcome back to my channel. So today I'm going to be showing you guys how I installed this 26-inch 99J burgundy wig. It's a 13x4 lace. This is how the wig came out straight out of the packet, and it has only 3 combs. There's no comb in the middle. I normally just cut all those combs out and I leave the one at the back. The wig didn't come with a band, which is great because it was a nice fit. And this is what the hairline came out looking like. I hot combed the hair back. It came in a middle part. I hot combed it back, and this is what it looks like. It was already pre-plucked, which is really cute. So this is what it looks like after I had plucked it. It was pretty difficult to pluck, you guys. I even created a hole on the lace, but yeah, you're not going to see that on camera, luckily. Yeah, so this is me just fitting the wig, making sure that it's positioned properly before I cut the lace. And as you guys can see, there's ear tabs that I need to cut out. Make sure you cut those out, you guys. Like, you need your wig to be snug and fit properly. So I went off camera to cut those ear tabs. So I'm going in with my Glamour lace adhesive spray, and I went in with about, I think, 2 layers before blow drying it and wrapping it up with my lace melt band. So now I am sectioning out my hair with my hair clips. You want to leave your lace melt band for at least about 15 to 20 minutes. It really makes a difference. Like, the longer you leave it on, the better. So I went off camera to cut off my lace, and then I went in again with the Glamour hairspray to further melt the lace. I'm still trying to improve with how I cut my lace, so I did leave quite a lot of lace, which I did later on cut off when I reinstalled the wig. So yeah, please don't mind the extra lace that I left.
And know sometimes we had less compared to some of my niggas down the block, man, we were blessed. And life can't be no fairy tale, no once upon a time. But I be goddamn if a nigga don't be trying. So tell me, mama, please, why you be drinking all the time? Cause all the pain he brought you still linger in your mind. Cause pain still lingers on mine. On the road to riches, listen, this is what you find. The good news is, nigga, you came a long way. Bad news is, nigga, you went the wrong way. Being broke is better. Life that's better than yours. No such thing as a life that's better than yours. Think being broke is better. Life that's better than yours. No such thing, no such thing. For what's money without.
So I went in with my lace melt band again. This time I think I left it on for about 5 minutes, and then I took that right off. I went in with my foundation, my stick foundation.
Quick, do something before you lose it for good. Get it back and use it for good. And touch the people how you did like before. I'm tired of living with demons cause they always inviting more. Think being broke was better. Now I don't mean that phrase with no disrespect.
This literally just made the lace disappear even further. So you really don't want to skip this step.
A life with no stress. I mean it's just sincerely. And as a nigga who was once in your shoes living with nothing.
I went in with my lace melt spray. This one is from Rarlon Wigs, but you can use any lace melt spray. It should be able to work fine. I then also went in with my Isoplus spritz.
Always gonna be a business better out there on the tour, but you ain't never gonna be happy till you love yours. No such thing as a life that's better than yours. Love yours. No such thing as a life that's better than yours. Love yours. No such thing as a life that's better than yours. Love yours. No such thing. No such thing. such thing as a life that's better than yours. Love yours. Such thing as a life that's better than yours. Love yours. Such thing as a life that's better than yours. Love no such thing, no such thing. Heart beating fast, let a nigga know that he alive. Fake niggas mad, snakes in the grass, let a nigga know that he arrived.
You want to go in with your lace melt band again. I did do my baby hairs off camera, and then I went in with my lace melt band while I quickly style the hair.
I'm outside in an AMG, right outside, TT, two-turn baby girl.
Please excuse my camera, you guys. It has this auto exposure thing going on, which I really need to fix. But yeah, so you want to go in with your wax stick and then comb the product on the hair, and then go in with your hot comb to flatten that out. You want to use your hot comb as many times as possible. Like, you want to get that wig flat. You want to get that frontal part very flat.
Niggas round me, gotta watch the time, cause it's flying right by. Two-turn baby girl, you know me. I just caught a shorty off a Finsta. Just threw on a hoodie, it's a print shop. Way that I've been living unconventional. I'm just trying to make it to the end, you know. Certain things have started getting tenser. Think we need to have a sun adventure. I could be a man, but maybe down the road. Right now I would rather see my heart turn to chrome.
So now I'm going in with a concealer that's like a shade lighter than my skin tone, or was it 2 shades? I can't really remember, but I'm just going in with concealer on the parting space to brighten it.
On your phone, like I'm outside in an AMG, right outside, PT.
Back up on my bullshit, back up on the scene. Done dealing with you, don't know how to deal with me. Done fucking with you, don't know how to love me. Done dealing with you, so it seemed like.
So for last minute touch-ups, I went in with my hair rescue. I think it's called a restoration spray. Yeah, a shine restoration spray. I went in with that along with my antifrizz spray from Hair Rescue as well. You can get this at Clicks. And then I went in with my straightener. I did straighten the hair off camera on the mannequin head, but I'm just doing some final touch-ups.
I keep it 100 from my head down to my toes. Back up on my bullshit, back up on.
I'm using the Clicks Ultra Hold spray to tame the flyaways. I really love how this product smells. It smells absolutely amazing.
Now I can fix my own crown. Back up on my bullshit, back up on the scene. Don't dealing with you, don't know how to deal with me. I'm fucking with you, don't know how to love me. I'm dealing with you, so I'm back. Yeah, bitch. Back on my boogie, back on my dish, you in the studio. Back on tequila, back on the strippers, all the groupie hoes. This could get ugly, I'm petty, I want you bad out of smoke. I'm coming crazy, baby, baby. One thing that you should know, little baby, bounce back, yeah. Act like you a stranger, yeah. Memory loss, I play it like that. Call your boys, I'm getting about that. Faded up to 42, quarters too important. Blue dream inside the roll up, hold up. Watch me go up, leave you so stuck. I'm back and I'm.
Let me know down in the comments what you think about this hair. This is the final look, you guys. Thank you so much for watching. Please don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and I'll see you in my next video.